Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. I am partnering up with Etsy for this summer themed Romanticize Your Summer haul. I know everybody's excited about the next season that's coming up, but I really want to submerge and enjoy my summer. It is summer until September, so if you're with me, you want to get the most out of these days, and you want to just pick up some tips along the way of how you could really enjoy the little things this summer, then this video is for you. A big thank you to Etsy for partnering with me today. Everything will be listed below in the description box, so let's get into it. And so my first category is gonna be tech. One of the ways that I like to embrace whatever season I'm in, not just the summer, is to change out my computer desktop wallpapers, my phone wallpapers. I just got this little seashell and bow one that every time I look at it, I feel like I'm in Seaside or the Hamptons, even though I'm just in the middle of very hot Texas. I also picked up this phone case, and since I bought this last month, I have now seen this go completely viral. It does have seashells, little charms. I even got my initial in here. We're on our devices constantly anyway, so you might as well get that seasonal feel. And random, but if you have a Samsung Frame TV, they have beautiful summer digital artwork that I'll link below as well. And my next couple of items definitely fall within the summer beach read category, whether you want to pick up some new seasonal bookmarks like the fruity and floral one I have here, or these corner initial bookmarks, which I think just look like warm weather and would make an excellent gift. My friend did tell me about the Megan Quinn book series, so that is what I have here. I've gone in pretty deep. I haven't read them yet, but I would love to know what you guys are reading this summer. And if you don't know what to read this summer, I thought this next one was so unique and fun. It is a mystery book package that I found on Etsy. So how it works is you pick out what book you want to read by genre, so romance, mystery, thriller, and you receive one of these in the mail. They come with little stickers, a highlighter, and you don't know what book is in here. Whether you want to discover a new book yourself, or I think this would be excellent to give the reader in your life, give this to a girlfriend. Buy this for your book club. I think this is so unique, and this is one of the cutest things I've ever seen on Etsy. And I always love switching up my jewelry with the season. Novelty and themed jewelry are extra hot this summer, from the seashell trend to something a little more subtle, like these earrings from my friend Tiffany's Etsy store. They do have little bumblebees on them, or these with little flowers on them. She was kind enough to give me a coupon code to share with you guys, so I will list that below in the description box. But it's just another way through your jewelry that you can embrace the season. And I know a lot of us in the summer swap out our linens, maybe we swap out our comforter for something a little lighter, but don't forget about your nightstand, whether you want to add some flowers, some fresh cut flowers in a vase, or a little sprig of greenery. I did pick up this Trinket dish from Etsy. I think it's really pretty. It's actually an oyster dish with a floral design on the inside. It's bright, and I think it adds a little something for sure. And fragrance is probably the #1 way you can tap into any season. So first, I have this candle from Sweetwater Decor. I have talked about this brand for years. I just picked this candle up though. It's their Salt and Sea candle. I mean, this just smells like you are on an oceanfront property. It is sea salt, citrus, musk, and amber. I also quite like the container. But if you're not a candle girl, another option could be this carpet freshener. How I use it is I put it down on my carpet about 30 minutes before I vacuum, and these smell amazing. So I have Tangerine Passion, which this is a bold, fruity smell, and then I have Coco Cabana that kind of smells like a mix between the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream and your favorite sunscreen. It smells really good. And then I also have this whipped soap. It's actually a body wash and shaving cream in the scent I Smell Suntan. This is dreamy. If I close my eyes and smell this, I swear it smells like you are putting on sunscreen at the pool. I love it. But also think about your hand soap by the kitchen sink, or your hand sanitizer, even your perfume. There's a lot of ways to bring in the season through fragrance. And I also wanted to give a shout out to Etsy's digital downloads. It's where I get all of my digital downloads. I'm a doodler, I'm a planner. I just like physical paper, so I love all the printables. And kind of no matter what you're into, they probably have it summer themed, whether you're like me and and you're doing a summer reading list, or maybe you want to work on your summer menu, even your bill tracker, but you want to add a little summer theme to it, Etsy probably has it. And my next several items I'm going to put into the accessorize your summer category. I've talked a lot about the bag charm trend. I think it's a fun way to look like the season and also show a lot of personality. This bag charm right here might be my favorite one yet. It has a lot of different colors. It reminded me of Palm Royale when I first saw it. And I think this is just an easy way to spice up any bag you already have. You can also swap out your bag for something more summery entirely, like this book tote that I found. I think this is so cute. I actually wore it to the airport recently and I got stopped left and right about it. It does have this really fun patchwork pattern. It looks vintage. It's very on trend. The bag itself doesn't have structure, so this is one that I would use with a handbag organizer, but I love the stripe pattern on the inside of it. But it is nice that it lays flat, especially if you want to use it for any summer travel. And then if you're a Stanley girl, you can also accessorize your Stanley. I do have this little straw topper that has my name on it. That's one of my favorite things too about Etsy, is how unique and customizable a lot of these finds are. So it does have my name on it. I did pick out the color, and you just add it on top of your straw and you instantly have a little more funness. And speaking of things being customized, I was blown away by this beach towel. So it does have my name on it and this funky groovy print, but I love the checker print, the flower pattern on it. I think this is really cute. Whether you're getting this for yourself or it would make a great little party favor if you have a beach bachelorette coming up or a birthday party, I think this is a really good one. And even the sweatshirt that I have on was customizable. So it does say pickleball. I got to pick the color and I also got to pick the location. I did go with Seaside, Florida because I love it. But this is the best sweatshirt. It is lightweight, lightly fleece lined. I don't remember what size I got it in, but I'll have that listed below in the description box. Oh, and I don't want to forget, I did pick up this book glass tumbler also on Etsy, which is reminding me that I'm thinking about starting a book club over on my newsletter. So if you didn't know, I do a weekly newsletter, and I think it would be fun to maybe have a book of the month. We can talk about it. Let me know your thoughts below, and I'll also have a link to sign up. And last up, a friend of mine does have a metal artwork Etsy shop that does help provide jobs to artisans in Haiti. It is the cutest finds that also go towards a great cause. So I did pick up these two flowers to put in my yard that I think just scream summer. So I'll have these listed below in the description box as well. And we'll go ahead and make today's secret emoji be the flower emoji. Leave that for me below in the comments so I know you hung in there with me till the very end of the video. And I would love to know below in the comments how you guys are enjoying romanticizing your summer. Let's crowdsource there. A big thank you again to Etsy for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys for hanging out with me, and I'll see y'all in the next one.